Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we're scrolling down until you find here Discord and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.